Now in the question number 2, give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100. See here, in the instruction it is clear written by rounding off to nearest 100, not in the general. And also a closer estimate by rounding off nearest tens. Means here we have to do sum by two nearest number. Two rounding of number, which first one is nearest to the 100 and second one is nearest to tens. So one sum we have to do two times. Let us see. First one is 439 plus 334 plus 4370. Let us see. First one is 439 plus 334 plus 4070. Now first I am doing with the rounding of 100. So I am putting 20 here. Then see very next to 4, 3. 3 is less than 5. So 4 will remain as it is. Now here also I am putting 2 zeros. After 3, 3 is less than 5, 3 remains same. Now, see on the 100 place. 3. After 3 is 1. So, 3 remains same and 4 is also remains same. Now, add all the numbers. 4300 plus 300, 4600. Plus 400 means 5000. Is that clear to everyone? This is nearest to 100. Now same sum by the nearest 1000. Here, sorry, nearest tens or nearest 100. It is nearest 100, nearest tens. Okay. Now nearest tens. Let us see. 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Now see at the tens place. So add 10. What is after 3? 9. 9 is more than 5. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is remains same. Now 0, 3, then 4. So it will remain same. 1. What is after 1? 7. 7 is more than 5. So add 1 to the 1. Now add all these numbers. Last one is 0. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5. So your answer will be 5090. Is that clear to everyone? Now I am moving on the question number 2. Here number 2 is also given. One 08737 minus 47599. Now first I will take as per the hundreds, rounding of hundreds. So for the 100, 20. Then see after 100 place 3. 3 is less than 5. 7 will remain same and remaining also as it is. Subtract 2 zeros. What is after 5? 9. 9 is more than 5. So add 1. 47 is remains same. Now subtract the number. Let's do it. 0. Here 2 0 is remaining as it is. 7 minus 6 1. 8 minus 7 also 1. 0 minus 4 not possible. Then borrow 10 minus 4 means 6. Here our answer will be 61,100 as per the rounding of 100. Now same question with the rounding of tens. Let's see. Tens means 0. What is next to the tens? 7. 7 is more than 5, so obviously add 1. Remaining will be as it is. Now at the place of the 9. See, at the place value of the 10. 9 is given. See here, it is very important. After 9, also 9 means more than 5. So we have to 1 to the tens place. We have to add 1 to the tens place. If we are adding 1, then it will become 10. So at that time what we have to do? At that time we have to take carry. Here we have to put 0 and take carry to this 1. Means 5 plus 1, 6. 47. Is that clear to everyone? Now subtract the number. 0 minus 0. 4 minus 0, 4, 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 7, 1, 0 minus 4 is not possible, obviously 6. Here your answer will be 61,140. Is that clear to everyone? Now I am moving on the question number 3. Your question number 3 is 8,325. 8,325 minus 491. As per the nearest 100, 2 zeros, 3 as it is because after it 2, 8 remains same. 4, 2 zeros, 4 plus 1 because 9 is given. Now subtract the amount. 2 zeros. 3 minus 5 is not possible. Then borrow. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Here 7. So your answer will be 7,800. Now same question as per the tens, round of tens. 8325 minus 491. Here is 5. Now rounding of 10. 0, 2, then 5. We have to add 1, 3. Here 3 remains same. Minus 9 also remains same. Now subtract the amount. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 9 not possible. 2, 13 minus 9, 4. 2 minus 4 is not possible. 12 minus 4 is 8 and here 7. So your answer will be 7,840. Now I am moving on to question number 4 and last one. So it is very easy if you understand basic things of the round off. Is that clear to everyone? Now fourth number 1. 4, 9. It is also sum of the subtraction. Rounding of the 100, sorry. 2 zeros, 3 and 4. 3 remains same and remaining part also will be same. 2 zeros, 6 here after 3, so add 1 to the 3, 48. Now subtract the amount. 2 0, 3 minus 4 is not possible, then borrow from 9. Here 8, 13 minus 4 means 9. 8 minus 8 is 0, 4 minus 4 is also 0. So your answer will be 900. Now same question as per the tens. Rounding of tens. Let us see what will be answer. Tens means place 1 0. 4, then 8 means add 1 to the 4. Remaining part will be same. 6 means 7. Now subtract the amount 0. This 4. And here is 4. Is it your answer? This is your answer. 4,40,980. Is that clear to everyone? Now I am moving on to question number 3. So here we have to take care of the fundamental of round of 100 and tens.